Are you still worried about network management? Atri is devoted to the development of SDN technique and has launched two solutions: Enterprise SDN Migration and Enterprise Backhaul Network, catering to the advent of the 5G era. In most business environments, there are many types of devices or equipment that require connections to the Internet. The network is usually managed by VLAN. However, in the traditional port-based network management, system administrators would have to plan a VLAN for each port, log in each switch, and configure each port. Furthermore, each piece of network equipment must be planned to access the correct port, which causes inconvenience to operation and management. The Atri-developed Enterprise SDN Migration Solutions can dynamically determine VLAN according to network access port, device MAC address, or IP address, or user authentication to fully improve management. On the other hand, spanning tree used in traditional networks can avoid loops, but network efficiency suffers, since the packets only go through its links. The Atri SDN solutions are not subject to this limitation and can greatly enhance network operating efficiency. SDN provides flexibility and simplicity to network management and enhances network efficiency. However, it would cost too much for an enterprise to replace at once all the network components with SDN switches. Usually it happens incrementally. Atri's Information and Communications Research Laboratories took the lead in developing an enterprise SDN migration solution that gradually replaces the current network starting from the edge while interoperable with the existing network. This system not only integrates the enterprise's employee authentication system, but also assigns network privilege according to the user's ID. For example, a visitor can connect to the Internet only and not the enterprise's intranet. Employees can't watch videos on the web during working hours. The SDN migration solutions developed by Atri's ICT is interoperable with the current network, can deploy VLAN flexibly, and control resources and network access privileges, including blacklisting users from accessing the network. When a link fails, the route can be quickly modified without interrupting the service. Server load balance makes it easier to install equipment and provide service according to the system load. Equipment monitoring enables the network administrators to supervise the status of network switches and devices. Moreover, the system also provides DHCP relay and DHCP snooping. Atri SDN solution has been deployed on the campuses of Atri and National Jiao Tong University and greatly enhanced network management and maintenance efficiency. To cater to the advent of 5G networks, there will be a lot of small cells deployed in enterprises and campuses to meet the high bandwidth demand of 5G networks. The most cost-saving way to install these small cells is to use the existing circuits and aggregate in an external gateway and then connect to the remote core network. We provide SDN technique to manage enterprise backhaul between small cells and accommodation points. Atri deployed the first system that integrated 4G mobile networks and SDN-enabled enterprise backhaul in Taiwan to provide mobile application testing services for local SDN switch suppliers and assist them to enter the carrier network market. 3 technical features are offered in this field: MAC-based dynamic network slicing, slice-based bandwidth management, and fast-link failover. Via the network management interface, we can plan the different network slicings. In this example, we add 2 network slices, golden and copper. The bandwidth of the golden slice is 10 megabits per second, and the bandwidth of the copper slice is 5 megabits per second. Now we add 2 devices in the golden slice with their MAC address, and 1 in the copper slice. When a device of the golden slice is connected, it shows up in the topology of the physical slice instantaneously And the topology of the golden slice is also updated in the network management system. When two Wi-Fi APs of the copper slice and golden slice are also connected, the two slice topologies will be updated in the network management system as well. Now, we connect two cell phones to the two slices respectively and verify the slice-based bandwidth management feature by the speed test app. We can see the bandwidth is bounded at 10 megabits per second and 5 megabits per second respectively. The MAC-based dynamic network slicing technique can support dynamic topology management. The devices now can access the network from any ports, which is a breakthrough from the limitation of traditional port-based network slicing. Furthermore, slice-based technique can guarantee the sliced bandwidth to provide a huge deployment of small cells for a quick back-end network solution. E3 SDN technique will greatly enhance the efficiency of migrating the enterprise network into SDN and manage more efficiently the 5G enterprise backhaul to provide a simple, flexible, and secure network architecture, as well as support innovation and accelerate the deployment of enterprise network equipment.